Oh man, almost time to end the shift. I just gotta get a couple more boxes. Let me pull this one down.
Watch your back, watch your back. Be careful.
Oh my gosh. I heard something.
Oh, your fake spine's coming out again. Alright.
Alright, this little box I gotta take down too. Actually, it's sealed shut. Let me open it up with my knife. Alright. Oh, fine.
Oh my gosh, it's a little kitty cat. I don't even know where that came from. Let's look at the label. I think it came from... That's right here. Huh. But you know what? I'm going to keep him right in that little puppy.
I'm going to take my punch card. Dropped it.
That's a really good idea. I'm ready to break out too.
Oh, I just have to look in the cabinets before we go. Oh, everything's in there.
So you know what? We've done all the big boxes, the little boxes, and the little kitty boxes.
Yeah. Oh, the boss wanted me to email.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
All right. Let me turn the computer on. And let's see what we got.
Is he typing?
Computer. Stop. Hit it again. And let me press send. It's evidently a German. Down.
So I think we should go out for some drinks afterwards, because I know you and I really needed to bond.
Yeah.
And we've worked together for like at least 7 years at this point. Maybe like the last time.
Oh,
So I think we really should do some bonding.
sure. You go out the door first.
Okay, excellent.
Whoop.
I put some grease on the handle. I'll get it for
Alright, you
you.
do that. Oh, it's hot out there. Oh my gosh. You know what? Air conditioning. I much prefer to stay here in the air conditioning.
All right, good idea. Let me just shut the door. Actually, have that little mini bar right here. Let me open it up.
Rum and Coke. Alright, I got here. Alright, let's do a virgin gin and tonic.
Okay, I'll grab it. I'll put the glass right here. You pour it.
Excellent. Oh, it's bubbling over. Oh.
Dum, dum, dum.
I'm going to open this one up.
This one's mine. Your little kid, you want a drink? Your kitty.
I'm going to take a little sip of mine. That's all, just a...
Drink the whole thing. Whoa, it's disgusting. Sorry, kitty.
I like to throw these bottles against the ceiling and watch them break.
Okay, I'm backing up. I like this game. Ready? Let's do a full glass of tonic. Oh my gosh.
Oh no! I think the boss is coming.
Oh, quick, lay down on the ground and mop the spill. There you go. Excellent.
Oh yeah, I see him outside.
Hi. Working hard and hardly working. All right, so we done all the boxes. We have our 100. You know what? I think I'm going to knock off early and try to hit the subway before like all those bad people come
All
out.
right, cool. I'm just going to call my friend and tell him I'm coming home.
Okay, good.
I got him on speed dial. Hey, Mike. Mike?